So I'm just leaving a message, create an image of boy standing in a moon. I will never pay for the AI again. Yes, you heard me. I have an alternative for that. Online AI tools are getting ridiculously good, but as soon as you start using them, you realize that their subscription cost quickly add up. The free versions are limited and only give you the access to the inferior models. When I built my local AI coding for VS Code, I thought I was done paying for GitHub Copilot as well as I was using Halo AI. However, between the privacy concerns and ridiculously high subscription cost, I realized that I do not need to pay for AI anymore if I can run it locally. So I start thinking of it seriously. Now I see that the local AI models are getting good. The open source AI landscape have exploded with some genuinely impressive models which I can use it locally. There are models like Llama, Mistral, Gemma and DeepSeek that are incredibly good at specific tasks. And since you are running these models locally, you can pick and choose which model you want for a specific task without any hassle. If you want to play with the AI model, just keep in mind that you need a higher end machine. As a general rule of thumb, you need at least 8 GB of RAM available to run a 7B model. But that is quite available with all modern machines, so you don't need to worry about that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run AI models locally and which platform you can use it for. Here I'm going to use the LM Studio, which I like it personally, but feel free to try other options to find which one suits better for you. Why I am choosing LM Studio is because installing and setting up a LM Studio with an AI model is rather easy process. Download the LM Studio from the official website and run the installer. That's it. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily do that and how you can install the AI model after that, which will help you choose which AI model is best for you. Now to start with, you have to go to a web browser and just search for LM Studio. I have already downloaded and installed the exe, but I'll still show you how you can get it and download. So just search for LM Studio. Now from here it will take you to the official website. And here you have to download the Windows version. As I said, I have already downloaded. You can see that this is the LM Studio. And here if you check the file size, it is around 516 MB. So once that is downloaded, you have to run the exe. These tools let you access a wide range of open source AI model that you can download and run as per your requirement. Just wait till the installation is complete. Now once the installation is complete, you can click on finish and run the LM Studio. If you are installing for the first time, you may be prompted to go through a setup wizard. This can be skipped by clicking the gray skip button on the top of the right corner that you will see earlier. Now once the LM Studio has started, just click on the magnifying glass icon to open the Discover tab. From here you can search for any model you want to download. When you select the model, on the right side here you will get the size of that model. This Granite model has a size of around 4.23 GB. And if you go with Gamma, it also has a size of around 4.24 GB. And if you go with the DeepSeek, and it will be more than 5 GB. And if you go with Mistral, which is advanced, just search for Mistral, and that will be more than 7 GB of size. So select the file and then click on download. Now you can see here that the Gamma is getting downloaded. Now wait till the file get downloaded. Now here you can see that the download is completed. The Gamma is now completed. Now you have to click the load model. Just click on that button, load model, and it is now getting loaded. The Gamma is getting loaded. Just understand that this model is locally installed in your computer. Now the model has been loaded and you can start interacting with the AI model. I'm just sending a message, a greeting. Now it has started responding back. So you can start your AI communication. So I'm just leaving a message that I would like to know about Atlas AI. Okay, so it starts responding. So it's cool. Now I'll stop it and I'll try creating the image. I just stopped it and I am sending a new message to create an image. Let's see whether this will create an image. As far as I understand, this Gamma won't create an image. So let me see what it responds back. So I'm just leaving a message, create an image of boy standing in a moon. So it started responding back that, okay, I can't really create an image and display it here as it is a text-based AI. So let me see what it's going to suggest. However, I can give you detailed prompt to use with an AI image generator like Midjourney. So I'm going to ask which image generation tool I can use in LM Studio. Let me see what it responds. Okay, it's responding back. Let's talk about image generation tools you can integrate in LM Studio. Here is a breakdown of the best options and how they work. Okay, so Gamma is giving me the details. It's automatic 1111. It's the most popular and feature rich. Okay, actually I'm using automatic 1111 and it is really good in creating the image, generating the image. So you can download it from the GitHub page directly and you can install it in the LM Studio. So at this point you will be able to start chatting with the AI downloaded model, and depending upon the model, as you see, this one takes only the text, but if you go with the other models, it will support the Mistral, it will support the image generation. So this is the best option to break free from AI subscription. If you're tired of paying monthly subscription to AI tools, try downloading LM Studio and any other alternatives and spend some afternoon playing with these AI models and you will love it. I would say that the Mistral AI 7B and the Gamma 3 are good models to start with. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.